So did a little bit of 4-by, hoping to catch a sunset, but I just missed it. But see a little bit of a haze. Looked like there's a fire off in the distance. Mountains of the mainland and the far. See a little bit of twinkling of lights in Nanaimo, BC. A lot of people come up into this area to ride their bicycles. Somebody was here not too long ago. Saw a deer a few minutes ago. But I'm glad I came up. It's almost 9 o'clock at night. Someone left their fucking fire going. We wonder how forest fires. Like idiots. So now, my dog water is used in putting out a fire. Like seriously. If you're out riding your bike, and you want to stop and have a little barbecue or something, fine. Be responsible.